object-oriented programming. All right. Today we are going to dive into a very, very important concept in Python, object-oriented programming. So guys, just listen to me once, then we will read all of the things which is given in these notes as well. First of all, just listen to me carefully, okay? So guys, Opps now, it is a very powerful programming paradigm. What? Paradigm. Now you guys will ask me that, ma'am, what is paradigm? Right? So guys, I just said that it is a very powerful programming paradigm in Python. So what is paradigm? So if I will tell you guys in the simplest way possible, in a general way, what does this word paradigm means? In a general way, if I would say, the word paradigm means a model or a pattern of something. Like this company is a paradigm of customer services. Yes, style, pattern of something. Yes, very good, guys. Now, if I will just go in some another way, if I will go in some another way, if I will say in science or philosophy, this particular word means a framework of beliefs, assumptions, practices that defines how problems are understood and solved in a field. Or if I will talk about linguistics and the language, it means a set of related forms of a word that follows a pattern. So, what does that mean? In any way, if you guys will see, what does it means? Pattern. A way of doing something. A way of doing something. A framework. A practice that is going to define how problems are understood and solved using the concepts. So, Opps is a powerful programming paradigm that helps us to write the code in a more organized, structured, and efficient way. To make this concept very, very easier for you guys, let's break it down in a relatable example, okay? Okay, so guys, who all are crazy about cars here? Who all are crazy about cars? Anyone? Like, come on, tell me. I'm asking a very genuine question, guys. Very general questions. Oh, you like bikes? Oh, you're team me then. I also love bikes. Okay, no problem. But everyone knows now how cars looks like. Yeah, both are cool. Yeah, I agree, but bikes are more cool. Sorry, that's my opinion. Okay, okay. But everyone knows now how cars looks like, what are the features and all, right? So imagine, just imagine, you are running a car showroom. Now, what will be in the showroom? Different types of cars, like hatchbacks, sedans, SUVs, each with unique features. Yet, they all share some common characteristics. Do you all agree? Do you all agree? They are hatchbacks, sedans, SUVs. Each and every car has its own unique features, but all are sharing some common features, some common characteristics. Like every car has wheels, engines, lights. Each car also has unique features like color, model, price. Plus, you can perform actions like start the engine, apply the brakes, or honk the horn. Yeah, style as well. All agree with me na, till this point? You all agree with me till this point? Tell me yes or no? Now, just relate it. In programming now, each car represents what? Object. And the concept of organizing these cars with common characteristics and individual features is what Opps is all about. Each car represents an object, and the concept of organizing these objects with the common characteristics and individual features is what Opps is all about. Now tell me, guys, did you guys got the idea of what are we going to learn? Did you guys got the idea what are we going to learn? What Opps is?
Ma'am, it's like a different type of schools.
Yeah.
In that one, we are having a common one. So
Yes.
school is an object. So it is a CBSE or a Montessori or a state board,
Yeah,
whatever it
each and
is.
everything it's having their own characteristics, but at the end of the day they are doing one common thing, teaching the students, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, so this is what it is, how we are going to organize these objects with their common characteristics and the individual features is what we are going to learn in our Opps concepts. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear, everyone? Till this point everyone is clear? Can I get response from each and everyone? Today I want 100% attentiveness in my class. Yes, yes, you can say like that. You can say like that, Taswat. Now, let me remove this. Let me show you guys here. Object-oriented programming, Opps, is a way of, give me a moment, huh? Yeah, is a way of designing and writing the programs that treats data and functions as objects. These objects are like the real world things and they have the characteristics who are called as attributes. And they also have the actions which are known as methods, Characteristics are known as attributes and the actions are known as the methods. So characteristics means the features. The features they already have, and the action means the program, the operation which you are going to apply on it, that is known as the methods. Now, after that, guys, here comes why is it useful? Why is Opps useful? Now imagine managing this car showroom. Yes, functions are methods. Functions only we apply now. So Pradeep. Okay, so what I was saying, now I just gave you guys the example of the car showroom. Now just imagine managing this car showroom without a structured system, without any system. If you had to manually record each car's features and actions repeatedly, it would become messy and inefficient, right? It would become messy and inefficient, right? Without any structured system, if you had to manually record each car's features and actions repeatedly, it will become messy and inefficient. No? Do you all agree? Do you all agree with me? It will become messy, no? Come on, tell me. Yes, right? So instead of making it messy and inefficient, Oops will help you, because Oops will help you to create a blueprint. Will help you to create a blueprint. Will help you to create a blueprint. This blueprint is known as class. That defines the common features. Give me a second, no? That defines the common features and the actions for all the objects, which means methods. Now, using this class, we can create multiple objects like different car models very easily without rewriting the same code over and over again. Yes, yes, Soumya, you're correct. Now, see here, it helps organize code in a more understandable way. It makes it easier to reuse and update the code. And it allows for flexibility as new objects can be created with ease. Now tell me, are you guys clear with what is Oops and why Oops is useful? What is Oops and why Oops is useful? Clear, guys? I'm asking something, everyone. And guys, one more thing, as you guys can see, today I'm going very, very slow in the class. So when I am telling you guys to ask the doubts, that time only please ask the doubts, because I have to move forward as well, right?
Ma'am, what is that flexibility, ma'am? It allows for flexibility, meaning?
It allows for flexibility means you can change it again and again.
So that means,
It is
as you said,
flexible
that
to
the
get
decor
changed.
style or whatever it is, you can change it. That's it,
You
right?
can change it. You can add multiple more objects as well. That way it is flexible.
Okay, okay.
Class step we are going to learn about in this key idea of Oops again. Let me just explain you guys again. Okay. In this, I will explain you guys again. Okay. I don't know about the anime, sorry, so I can't tell you about it. I don't know what Naruto is. So I will not be able to answer in this way, Supradeep. I'm sorry about that. If anyone knows, can you please tell him if he is correct or not? I'm not into anime. It's not Saswati, it's Saswati. Movies class. Narsimha is object. Okay, okay. So, okay. Type. Okay, Suprati. Thank you so much. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You can say like that, Anuj. Okay, so let's learn about the key things, key ideas. Soma, I guess you're also into baking just like me. It's like if you're baking a cake, we need a recipe. That recipe is class. Yes, yes, yes. Life is sports is a class. Cricket, football, volleyball, and attribute are attributes or characteristics. See, sports is the class. Cricket, football, volleyball. These are your objects, which will be having their own unique characteristics and features. Now, okay, Saswat? Now, okay, Saswat? Got it? Okay, guys. So now let me just make clear these objects, these key ideas for you guys. Now, I will give you guys the example with a car showroom only. Okay? Can say like that, Supradeep. Yes. Okay. So in our showroom example, car is an object, na? Car is an object. So an object, na, guys. An object is essentially a real world entity. What is it? A real world entity in which it has two things. First of all, the attributes. First of all, it is attributes like color, brand, and speed. Second thing is actions. Actions, you guys can say it as behaviors as well. Actions now, this word, I can say it behavior also multiple times, so don't get confused. Action and behavior both are same thing. Like starting the car, driving the car, stopping the car, applying brakes, everything. Actions, it is behavior also. So I can use, instead of action, I can use this word behavior as well. So don't get confused. Okay. So this is object, guys. So in programming terms, if I would say an object is a collection of data and methods that works together. That works together. Clear with object, guys? Clear with object, guys? Everyone? Once more. Okay, let's do it once more. So in our showroom, I told you guys the example of showroom, no? Each car is an object. Object is essentially what? A real world entity. A real world entity which has attributes like color, brand, speed, the features of it, and actions, which is also known as behavior. So if I am using behavior word instead of action, don't get confused, okay? Behavior means like starting the engine, driving the car, stopping the car, applying brakes, honking the horn, the action you're performing on the object. So in simple words, object is a collection of data and methods that works together. That works together. Now, is it clear, Anuj, Saswat? Yeah, action is what you're going to perform now, and method is a function which you're going to perform, Meenakshi. So both are same only. Last line I said in programming terms, an object is a collection of data and methods. Give me a second, let me remove this. Collection of data and methods that works together. Is it clear now? Car is an object. Car is an object. What is the data of the car? The color, speed, and everything, right? And on that car only, I'm applying the action, I'm applying the method, I'm driving it, I'm stopping it. So both of them are working together. No, that is an object. Yes, 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 Soumya. Got it? Everyone clear? Now let's talk about class. Class, I told you guys just now also, it is a blueprint for the objects, defining their attributes. So now you guys know what is object. So inside the class, you're going to write down the features of that object and the actions you want to apply on that object. That is why class is known as the blueprint. For example, the car class defines color, brand, and actions like drive and stop. Clear with class, guys? Clear with class, guys? Now, guys, here comes encapsulation. Now, encapsulation. Just listen to me first, and then I will read this definition out, which is given over here. Okay? Encapsulation, now, guys, it is like putting all the internal parts of the car. It is like putting all the internal parts of the car. Encapsulation is like putting all the internal parts of the car, like engine, wiring, gears, inside a protective car body. Inside a protective car body. So, as a driver, you do not need to know now how the engine works. You just turn the key and the car starts, right? Similarly, in Opps, encapsulation means hiding the complex internal details of an object. Encapsulation means hiding the complex internal details of an object and providing only the essential information needed to interact with it. This makes our code safer and prevents accidental changes to the important data. Yes, Soumya, you can say like that. Like we all have passwords on our phones. Are you guys clear with encapsulation? Are you guys clear with encapsulation? Now let me just read out this also, which is given over here in front of you guys. It's like putting a shield around your belongings so others cannot directly touch or change them. You only allow access to what's necessary through specific gates or windows. Yes, you can say like that, Supradeep, but with a protective guard on. Yes, yes, Soumya. That is encapsulation. Now, guys, let's talk about inheritance. Now, guys, inheritance, it is very, very easy. Inheritance is like how electric cars are built using the basic features of the traditional cars, but add new functionality like battery systems and electric motors. So, in Opps, inheritance allows us to create a new class that is going to inherit all the features of an existing class. Just like just like your father inherited the property from your grandfather, and now you will inherit the property from your father, right? So, as a child, you're inheriting the property from your parent. So, you're a child class and your parent is a parent class. And the child class is going to inherit the properties from the parent class. That is known as inheritance in Python. See, new classes can inherit the properties and actions from the existing ones. A truck inherits from car, adding new actions like a hall. Is everyone clear? Yes, you can have your own properties as well, but all the properties from the parent class also you are going to inherit. Okay, Samya? Is everyone clear with inheritance? Everyone? Wait. Now, guys, after that, here comes polymorphism. Now, guys, polymorphism sounds complex, na? Just by its sound, it sounds complex. But it simply means one action behaving differently depending upon the object. One action behaving differently depending upon the object. Just imagine you have a remote control that can operate multiple devices: TV, air conditioner, and a sound system. So, if you're just pressing the power button, oh, I am having three objects. For all the three objects, it is going to act differently now. For TV, it will act differently. For AC, it will act differently. And for sound system, it will act differently. TV will get turned on. AC will just start cooling the room. And the sound system will start playing music. That is polymorphism. Different objects can use the same action but in different ways. Both a car and a truck can have a drive method but with different behaviors. Clear with polymorphism, guys? Clear with polymorphism, everyone? Yeah. Yes, Sudha. Yes. Soumya, polymorphism is like one thing you can use for multiple things. Like you were saying about baking. Now, do you know how to bake, Soumya? Do you know how to bake, Soumya? So we are having that cake batter with us, no? So with that cake batter, I can bake a cake also, but I can also make the pancakes out of it. So one cake batter, but I can use it in different ways according to my own will. That is polymorphism. Different objects can use the same thing, but in different ways. Got it? Yes, you are correct, Saswat. You can say like that, Siddhi. And now, guys, at the end, we got abstraction. Now, abstraction, guys, it is like using the dashboard of the car. When you drive, you do not need to worry about the complex inner workings of the engine, na? You just press the accelerator and the car speeds up. In Oops, abstraction means focusing only on the essential details while hiding the complex logic behind the scenes. For instance, like if you're creating a payment class, you may only expose the methods like pay or refund while keeping all the complex calculations and logic hidden only. That is known as abstraction. Showing only the important details and hiding the complicated stuff. It's like using a smartphone. You see an easy interface, but the complex hardware and software are hidden now. In a car, you press the brake pedal to stop without knowing how the braking system works. In programming, abstraction is implemented using the abstract classes. We will learn about it also. What is abstract class, how to do it and all. But first of all, you guys just let me know. Are you all clear? Are you all clear with these definitions? Object, classes, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. Are you all clear? Yes, yes, you're correct. You're correct, Saswat. Okay, so now guys, let's do one thing. Encapsulation is like putting a shield It is protecting your data. Encapsulation is protection. And abstraction is only showing the important. Encapsulation is protection. Abstraction is showing only the important details, hiding the necessary ones. Yes. Abstraction is hiding. Encapsulation is protecting. Let's do one thing, guys. I am thinking it is getting a little overwhelming for you guys. Let's do one thing. Now, I'm giving you guys a 5 or 10 minutes of break. Okay. Let's take 10 minutes of break. Okay. You guys go through this definition again. Just clear your mind, and then we will go through the. Then we will go to the coding part. Will that be okay? Yes, Aswa. Tell me. Class is a blueprint. Class is like the home. Class is like the home in which you are going to design whatever object you want. It's the operation you are going to apply on it. And after that, you're going to call this class. You're going to call this class with the help of the objects. Class is a blueprint which contains objects, features, and the actions. And with this only, you can just create an object and call it. Okay, Saswat? Okay, Saswat?
Hello, am I audible?
Give me
Hello,
a second. Now.
hello,
Give
am I
me a second.
audible?
Give me. Yes, tell me.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, tell me.
Like in a home, we are constructing different rooms, and every room has a definite purpose. Like a bedroom has a definite purpose, a hall has a definite
Yes.
purpose, and a kitchen has a definite purpose.
Yes,
So, if
you are designing everything in a blueprint first, na? It's not
yes,
like
yes,
that you are just telling the carpenter that I want. First of all, you will draw it. Carpenter, you will give him the idea that this is what I want. This is what object I want to create. This is the action you need to perform. That is
okay.
class.
So,
Okay.
object is a house, and each and every individual
Class
room is a
class
class.
is a class is a blueprint, the
Okay.
design of your
Hmm.
house, and object is what is present in your house and you want to call it with the help of the class.
Okay, so class is basically the home, the house, and each and every room in it is the object.
Yeah, you can say like that.
And to be very precise or exact, any example or something which can be very easy to understand?
Just now I gave the example of the cars. Now, okay, you are interested in
Like, couldn't get you.
right? Your favorite sport,
Okay, cricket.
cricket.
Hmm.
Okay, so we are having multiple players over there, na? Like Virat Kohli, MS Dhoni, and all.
Yep,
Give me a second, assistant.
sure.
Okay, so what I was saying, Saswat, yeah,
Yep,
uh, in cricket we are having multiple players, na? So cricket is my class, the
yes,
blueprint.
yep,
You can say it is like the field that at what position I have to, that what duty I have to give to this player, a
okay,
blueprint, a
okay.
plan. Okay.
Hmm.
And according to that plan, I'm going to call my players, which are my objects.
Okay.
Okay. Now clear?
Hmm. Yep,
Yeah, great.
thank you.
Most welcome. Okay, then, guys, now you guys can take your break till 8:45. At exact 8:46, I will again start the session. Okay. Just freshen up your mind a little bit, and then we will start with the coding part.
Sorry, Mac, I'm again interrupting a bit.
Yeah, yeah, tell me.
Like a field is a class, and I'm assigning each and every individual player a specific kind of duty. So players are my
Yes,
objects, right?
yes.
Okay, like I'm giving a role of of bowling to a bowler, a pinch hitting to a middle order batter, or opening to a top
Yes,
order
yes, yes,
batter. Like that, right?
yes, yes.
Okay then. Thank you so much.
Most welcome. I'm checking, Sudha. I'm checking it. Hospital is a class, patients and beds are objects. Yes, it is correct. Very good, Sudha. It is correct.
Thank you, ma'am.
Most welcome. Okay, everyone, break over. Is everyone here? Breaks over, guys. Is everyone here? Mind got freshen up. Now you guys will be able to do the coding with me, right? Come on, I need responses from each and every one of you. Ready to code? Okay, let's do it then. Let's begin. So guys, let's start with the basic syntax first. Yes, let's scale it, guys. Let's scale it. Let's start with the basic concept of oops. Okay, so here what you guys can see, the basic syntax, the class. Class is what? A keyword. Class is what? A keyword. And this is the name. This is the name of the class along with the parenthesis. Yes, it is important because afterwards you are going to call this class. And then a colon. Right now I'm using pass. I hope you all remember what is pass statement. I hope everyone remembers the pass statement. We have already done it in our previous classes. Great. So this, for just the syntax, I'm taking it, okay? And then now my creation of class is done. I have to create an instance of it. Instance means an object of it. An object of it. X is equals to number. Pass is a statement which we use in the function or anywhere else when you do not want to do anything. When you do not have a code to write. And you do not want any kind of error to come. Null. Yes, yes, Sudha, you are correct. Okay, Soumya? Yeah. After that, we are creating an instance. How? X is equal to the name of the class with parenthesis. X is the object now. X is the instance of that class. X is the object of this class now. This is the basic syntax. Give me a second, guys. Let me just do one thing for you guys. I'm adding the explanation. Class creation, class number. A class is like a blueprint or a template. Here, number is the class you created. And the pass keyword means do nothing for now. It acts as a placeholder. So the code does not throw an error. Instance creation. X is equals to number. An instance is a specific object created from a class. X is an instance of the number class. It's like building something based on the blueprint. And then at the end, we are just printing that instance. When you print X, it shows the memory location. Let me just show you guys that. When you are going to print it, I'm just going to run this one and I will get the memory location. See, I'm getting the memory location of the object, as no specific functionality or attributes are added to the class for now. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear till this point? Everyone clear?
Ma'am, that X is the location in the computer, what you mean, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Great. Now, guys, let's start with the real thing. What is class and an object? So we have already learned now that what is class and object. So let me just read that out for you guys again. If there will be any doubt, just let me know right now. So class. Give me a sec. Yeah, it is happening. Yeah, if you do not want any kind of error, then pass is compulsory, Meenakshi. What is class and object? A class is a blueprint or a template for creating the objects. It defines the attributes, the properties, and the behaviors, the methods or the functions that the objects created from it will have. That the objects created from it will have. For example, think of a car class as a template for creating the car objects. The class defines what properties every car will have, like the car's color, brand, and speed, and what actions, the methods it can perform, like driving or stopping. Object. An object is an instance of the class. When you create an object, you are using the class as a blueprint to create a real thing that has specific values for the attributes defined in the class. Defined in the class. Example, if the car class is the blueprint, an object could be a specific car like red Toyota Corolla with a speed of 100 mph. So tell me guys, if there is any doubts in the class and object definition. Class and object definition, any doubts? No doubts?
So, ma'am, in the object, it is going to be the two attributes and the action. So, a red Toyota Corolla, meaning that the attribute is a red and a Toyota Corolla. And the
Yeah.
action is the speed of 100 mph.
Yes, yes, yes. In object, basically, I'm giving the values. You guys will see it in the practical part now. Now, here is the practical part. If the car class is a blueprint, it defines general features like color, model, and speed. I have to create two objects. Object 1, a red Toyota Corolla with a speed of 100 mph, and a second one, a blue Honda Civic with a speed of 120 mph. So how? So guys, please listen to me very, very carefully because this is what the typical part starts. Okay, I want everyone to be very, very conscious in the class today. Am I clear with this point? Am I clear with this point? I want everyone to be very, very attentive in the class today. Great. Okay, do anyone over here knows about constructors? Anyone over here knows about constructors? No? No problem. I will show you guys that. So, first of all, line by line we will do. Class car. Class car. What is happening? I will just write it down in the form of comments for you guys, everything. Defines a class named car. A class is a blueprint for creating the objects, right? Now, what is happening here? DEF. Why do we use def? Why do we use this? Why do we use this def? Yes, to create functions. Very good, Ankita. Very good. Now, what is this init? This is the initializer. Init is the short form for what? Initializer. Often used often called the constructor by new learners. Like you guys can call it a constructor as well. Initializer. Initializer. So guys, what happens with this? What happens? I need some space. So guys, this init now, it runs right after a new car object is created. It receives the new object as the first argument. It receives the new object as the first argument, commonly called as what? Self. You guys can see it. It receives a new object as the first argument, known as self. After that, and the other arguments you pass when creating the object. As you guys can see, after that I am having others as well. What are they? These are the properties I'm going to give to my object. The colors, model, and the speed. Okay, self, with that you will able to learn about this. Self dot color is equals to color. Self dot model is equals to model. Self dot speed is equals to speed. What is happening? It is creating object attributes and setting their values. So basically, guys, what is happening? Now, let me just show you guys. So first of all, I have created this class blueprint, car blueprint, def init. Init is what? Initializer. Often called the constructor by the new learners. It runs right after a new new object is created. Unless until you're going to call this, you're going to create a new object. After creating the class, it is not going to get run. So it receives a new object as the first argument. So here, just for an example, here, let's say this carbon is a new object. This will be the first argument of this initializer, which will come here as self. I'm calling it as self here. After that, the other arguments will come, which are the properties of that particular object. That is why self dot color is equals to color, self dot model is equals to model, and self dot speed is equals to speed. Is it clear now, guys? Is it clear now, guys?
So it's like a X. Basically, X is the one which is a self, right?
Yeah, you can say like that. Give me a second. Let me just tell you guys again. Okay. Init is clear? Init is clear? Init is clear? So init is a initializer. Init is a constructor, which is going to help me to get the object, which I am creating to the class. It will help me to call this object to the class. Okay. Now under this class, already I am having this car1. The name is car1, no? So how will I get to know that I have to use this object only in this class? That self will help me. That self will help me over here. With the name self, I am indicating this object which I have created. And these are the attributes, these are the methods, these are the features I'm providing to my object in the class. Now is it clear? Now is it clear? Saswat? For all the objects we are going to create one by one because it is going to run. First of all, my compiler will just see car1. Okay, for car1 it will get run. Then it will see car2. For car2 again it will get run. These are the features. These are the features. Self is the name. Self is the name with which I am indicating my objects to my class. Self is like a nickname for my objects over here. With the help of the self only, I am getting these properties for my objects from the class. Yes, yes, to all the objects which I'm going to create. Okay, Saswat? Yes, yes, self is important. Till this point now, you guys can say this point you guys have to cram only. Def in itself. These three things you have to cram. Because this is the starting for most of the OOPS concept. Yes, common name to all the objects. Now, is it clear, guys? Are you all clear till this point of the code? Are you all clear till this point of the code, everyone? Saswat, Soumya, Meenakshi. Okay, great. Now, guys, this thing is done. After that, what I have done? Def details. Now, all the details, this color, this model, the speed, everything. Now it is present in the self only. Everything, it is present in myself. So what I'm doing, I just want the details to get printed. So I am going to create one more function, def details. Inside the parenthesis, I'm just taking self this time. Because color, model, speed, all these features are now the part of my self. So with self, everything, color, model, speed, everything is coming along with it. Now, just print if this is self. Which object I want? Color. Self. Which thing I want? Model. With a speed of self. Which characteristic I want now? Speed. Just like that, I created my another function, which is going to be my output as well for my objects. It's the first time now, Ankita, so it will be a little confusing for now, but with practice, it will be clear.
Ma'am, that means that def details in bracket self is also a common for all program.
Yes. Because I'm using self now, and this self is now containing all the features, color, model, and speed in it. Okay. Is it clear? Is the blueprint of the class is clear, guys? Is the blueprint of
Yes,
car is clear? Ankita? Because initializer is also known as constructor. That is what I have written by the new learners. It is also known as constructor. Yes, Saswat, you have got it. You have got it. Yes. Details is not a constructor. Only init is a constructor. Init is an initializer. That is a function which we are creating. Details is a function, not a constructor. Yeah, details is a method. Function and method is both the same thing only. Tell me, guys, clear with the blueprint? Clear with the blueprint, everyone? Yes, you're correct. You're correct, Saswat. Constructor is written in a different way than the functions. Okay, everyone. So after that, after creating a class, come out of it. Come out of it. Car1, first object. Call the class car. Just copy this name, paste it over here, get the parenthesis. First of all, color, put the color of the car. Model, put the model of the car. Put the speed of the car. Similarly, the object number 2. After that, right now, I have done all of this inside what? Commenting, just running this particular part. This is what, because it is multi-line commenting, that is why it is getting showed over here. Don't worry. So basically, I'm not getting any output right now. I have called, my objects are created, but I'm not getting an output. I'm not getting this right now. What I want to get displayed, I'm not getting it. How will I get it? I have to call this function. Objects are created. Take the name of the object, dot the name of the function, parenthesis. And you will get your answer. Run it again. Now you will get your answer. And it's not like only one function you can add multiple more functions also, and you can just call it again and again. Just give me a second, let me just show you guys that as well. Only speed I want to print, let's say. Self, if this is speed, The speed of car is this. Now, what is the name of the function? Speed. Take this name, copy it, come here. The name of the object is this. Put this, run it. What you guys can see? What can you guys see that? Int object is not callable. Int object is not callable right now. So what is happening? Why is int not callable? Can anyone over here?
Ma'am, probably that is def speed is the problem there. I don't exactly.
Anyone else? Why I am getting this error? I'm just asking it. Can anyone decode? Can anyone answer me?
So we are not putting the car to speed also right there.
What?
We didn't put that as car 2 dot speed in.
No, it's not an issue. I just want to print it for the car one. That I can do. Anything else come into your guys' mind? Now got the answer, guys. Got the answer. Why I was getting it? Got the answer why I was getting an error? Just now I rectified it. Already I am having the object name.
Ma'am, you put
Already I
that
am
as an
having the
info
character.
there, right?
Yes, I am having the speed. My compiler is getting confused that I am already having this characteristic and then I am creating this also. Object, the function name. I just changed the function name to speed info and called it over here, and now my function is working. Now my code is working. So what was that? A naming error. It was a naming error. Okay, guys, is it clear? Yes, yes. Is it clear, guys? Oh, not a new object. Car 1 is the already created object. That one, with that only I have called the speed info. Car 2 is already created now. With car 2 again, I can do it. See? And after that, again, I can create one more. Car 3 is equals to car. First of all, I have to create, yellow Toyota Camry and all. And then with car 3 again, do the same things. First of all, I just want the details. See? Is everyone clear? Everyone clear, guys? Because already I have the characteristic name as speed now, so compiler got confused us with. It is saying that speed is a number. How can you take a number as the name of the as a name of your function? This is what error I was getting. characteristic existed. Yes. Everyone clear with this example? Okay, let's do one thing. I'm giving you guys one example now. Go through this code and let me know if you guys are clear with this. Just see. Just check this code out, guys, and let me know if you guys are clear with this or not. The code is in front of you. Take 2 minutes, read this code and let me know if you guys have issues with this code or you guys are clear with it or not. Read is just a variable. Yes, it is already set. Yes, 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 yes. Guys, just look at one thing. Under the class dog now, what I'm doing, I'm taking the breed is equals to Labrador. It is an attribute, the feature. And inside this, I'm changing the breed. Change breed function I'm using. Self and new breed. What I'm doing? Self dot breed. Self dot breed. Self dot Labrador is equals to the new breed. Update the breed using the self keyword. Now, right now, the breed is Labrador. Right now, the breed is Labrador. But it can get changed. What can happen? It can get changed. The moment I'm going to add a new breed in this function as the object. Yes, here is no initializer. What I have told? What I have told, Anuj? That in most of the codes, it is going to be there in the starting. Not in all the codes, I said. I say what did I say? Not in most of the codes it is going to be there, but not in all. And here in this class, it's my duty to tell you guys each and every scenario where you guys can use and also where you guys can avoid it also. Okay, Anuj? That is why I'm not using it. This is another example. Got it? And now you guys tell me, did you guys got the idea for this code now? Did you guys got the idea? Labrador, it is the feature of the breed which I'm giving it as default. Just see, I'm printing this dog breed 2 times. First of all, dog and dog dot breed. What is the current dog breed? What is the current dog breed? That is Labrador, the default one. And after that, I'm changing it. I'm changing it. And it was getting changed. Shepherd. New breed here. The new characteristic. New characteristic. Okay, Meenakshi. Okay, Meenakshi. Is everyone clear now?
Ma'am,
Breed is default one over here right now.
I have one question.
Yep.
So dog, small d, dog equal to dog function, capital D. Why we have just changing the
What changing the?
just what do you call function, dog function, dog class.
Nitish, what is happening over here? I'm giving the default. If I'm not giving any value in my object, then the default one will activate, no? Do you remember the default function, default argument and parameters which we were doing in our previous weeks? Like that, it is working.
Okay.
Okay. This is the default one. Here, I'm not giving any name inside this.
Okay, got
So
it.
I'm getting the default one, but here I'm getting changed to the new one, and that is what I'm getting as the answer.
Oh, that's why we are defining new class just to.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes, instance is equals to object.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am sending you the photo. Can you please check it out?
Yeah, I will check it. Send me.
Excuse me, I have a question.
Sorry.
Ma'am, I have
Ma'am,
sent you the photo.
I am seeing that. Aishwarya, was that you? I didn't check
I'm
the name who
Soumya.
was talking.
Soumya.
Yeah, Soumya, your voice is very low, dear. Yes, Soumya, tell me now.
Ma'am, where you have written print dog dot breed, it means we have to print the Labrador.
Yes, because there I'm not giving any name. So that will act as the default one.
Okay.
Okay? Yeah.
Ma'am, I did you see the photo?
Give me a second. Give me a second. I'm doing it now. The issue which you are doing now, my dog change dot breed is okay. That you are doing it correct, but now what you have to do now, you have to do my dog dot breed. First of all, just like I am doing now, just put it dog dot change breed as the Labrador, and then print dog dot breed. Like that, put it, okay? Because here now what self dot breed I'm taking. So breed I have to print. With breed, I will get the answer, not with change breed.
Yeah, got it.
Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm checking it. Checking it, Sudha. No, it is incorrect, Sudha. It is incorrect, Sudha. You are not following the correct syntax and procedure. Okay? Tell me, guys.
Okay.
Everyone is clear till this point? Everyone is clear till this point, guys? Uh, what he did now, he was using print dog dot change breed only inside inside a single line of code. So with that now he was getting none as the answer. But I will get my answer with dog dot breed, not dog dot change breed. Okay? With change breed, only the breed will get changed, but the print part will happen with the help of breed, with the help of dot breed, not change breed. The code was correct, just the line, just the last line was a little incorrect. That I have told him. Okay, got it? Yes, Meenakshi, yes. Guys, I have added the explanation for you guys over here. Class definition, change breed method. Go through this explanation, guys. Saswat, what is happening here? This breed is acting as a default part because here I'm not taking any name. So the default breed of the dog is getting printed. And after that, I'm changing the breed. So the changed breed is getting printed. Okay, Saswat? Okay, Saswat?
My question is entirely different. My question is that if dog is the class, then what is the breed? It is an object or a attribute, or what is it? I'm totally getting confused in that, and things are bouncing over my head.
I'm explaining again. This Labrador is the default characteristic which I have put over here in my class. Okay? Okay? Saswat,
Labrador is a characteristic under.
under my class, which is the default one. This is default. If I'm not getting anything inside my object, then this will get printed. Okay?
Okay.
Now got it?
Okay. But then what is the use of breed then?
Because it is handling the default part. That is why I'm using breed.
Totally confused. Like Labrador is an attribute, then what is breed? Is it an object or what?
Labrador is not an object. Inside the class, no object is there. First of all, clear that thing. I have objects are always after the class, not inside the class. Inside the class, we only put the characteristics, the features, and the methods which we put on the object.
Okay, now I got.
Okay?
Yep.
Guys, will it be okay if the class will get extended today as well? Guys, will it be okay if the class will get extended today as well? Please let me know, guys. Give me a second now, guys. Give me a second. Guys, just give me 2 minutes, okay? Okay, everyone, listen to me carefully. I have come up with a solution for you guys because I'm getting that Oops is becoming a little overwhelming, and I don't think so. One session will be enough for Oops. So, what I'm thinking that next week is going to be week 7 now. Let's just cancel week 7 for this week, and the next week we will concentrate on Oops only. So, what is there now? Just let me know if you guys are agreeing to this point of mine or not. We are having 4 things: encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction, right? So on Saturday, next Saturday, we will be learning what encapsulation and inheritance. All with in very, very detail. 2 hours only for encapsulation and inheritance. And Sunday, only polymorphism and abstraction. Will that be okay? Will that be okay? Okay. And guys, this Wednesday, it is not like Wednesday the class is cancelled. Wednesday class is there. We will solve the challenge for this week. We will solve the challenge for this week because in the challenge now, Oops is not there. Only the functions is there. We are going to solve that. Is it clear? Is it clear? But on Saturday, next Saturday and Sunday, only Oops. On Saturday, encapsulation and inheritance. On Sunday, polymorphism and abstraction. Is it clear to everyone? I will just put it in your WhatsApp group as well. I will just let them know as well. Do you all agree? Do you all agree with this decision?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Because we need time to go through it because it is
Yeah,
little.
that I got to know. That I got to know that this oops one class will not be enough for you guys. So don't worry. Next week, no week 7, we will start with oops only. Yeah, classes and objects will be there, no? Classes and objects will be there, and it's not like this Wednesday session along with the challenge. You guys can ask me the doubts from the objects and classes as well. Don't worry about it. And I will put the official announcement also in your group after the class, after I will end the class. Okay. So guys, for today now, I will not continue with the concepts then. Encapsulation and inheritance we will do next Saturday, and polymorphism and abstraction next Sunday. Yeah, I got it, Saraswat. I got it. Yes, now it is correct, Supradeep. Yes, it is pretty clear. Great. Okay, guys. So I'm not giving you guys the homework also for today. Not giving you guys the homework, just practice of what we have done till now in the class. I'm not starting the another concept, and I'm not giving you guys the homework as well. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Please.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I have another question.
Give
Hello.
me a moment now.
Okay, okay.
Yes, Supradeep.
Yeah,
Yes,
so
Supradeep, tell me.
in the initial code in the class where we did the car object, yeah. So there we used the init function,
Sorry?
and uh,
Here we
in the
use what?
first code we used the init function, right? But
Yes,
in the
yes, yes.
second code we did not use it. So what is the difference? Because we
In
can
the
use both.
first one, I
Yeah.
didn't had anything default. I didn't had anything default. I had to initialize everything from the scratch. But in the second code, I had something already. So I didn't have to initialize everything from the scratch. So no need of init, the constructor. Okay.
Okay, okay. So the use of constructor is is it totally optional?
No. You have to use it whenever you're starting everything from the scratch. In most of the codes, you are starting everything from scratch. So init is very, very important for some of the codes.
Okay, okay. So
So
I mean, so it depends on the situation
yes.
where we have to use it or yeah, got it.
Yeah. Now, guys, I have sent you all the feedback form. Did you all received it? The feedback form, guys?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Great. Guys, please fill out the feedback form. And again, I'm repeating myself. If you guys didn't find anything, if you guys find everything perfect in the session, please rate it as excellent only. Otherwise, if you guys are going to put good, average, or bad, please, please, please provide the valid reason over there. And again, I'm telling you guys the thing. Next week, week 7, no. In Saturday session and Sunday session, we are going to learn about oops only. And Wednesday session, we are going to solve the challenge for this week. Thank you so much, Soumya. Now I'm going to stop sharing my screen and I'm just sharing that also, this link in the group as well. Thank you, Nitesh, Aswin, Supradeep.
Hello, Mehak. Am I audible?
Yes.
I might have a negative feedback. Please don't mind me for that.
Okay, don't worry about that. Just please put the.
Sure.
Yeah. Good night, Supradeep. Thank you, Sudha. Good night. Thank you, Ankita. Thank you, Minakshi. Good night. Take care, guys. We'll meet you on Wednesday, guys. Thank you, Navya. Guys, I have sent the message in your WhatsApp group as well. Please do acknowledge, okay? Please do acknowledge in your WhatsApp group. Good night, Sneha. Good night, Keshav. Good night. Good night, guys. Everyone done with the feedback form? Everyone done with the feedback form?
Just a minute. Left with a little bit. Last
Oh,
one.
okay, Saswat. Saswat, done?
Done. Thank you.
Okay, thank you guys. Now I am going to end the session and we will meet on Wednesday now. Bye guys.